Alright guys, we're at a job. Got the excavator. Take a picture of the driveway. Driveway's all messed up, so we didn't do none of that. Tons of cracks. Car back here. That one right there. Back it into the backyard. Right up to the garage, yep. Got the little trailer. Oh yeah. Got John taking a load of metal out. Pull the excavator in the back. We're gonna back my truck in real quick. Alright, get all this garbage stuff. Alright, everything in there just throw away real quick. If you see anything that's kind of cool.
Just stack all the pans up.
Yeah, stack them right up front. See if Raggedy Ann's worth anything. Alright, this is what we got going on.
I mean, just bring touchdowns.
let's stand over there now. I'm gonna kind of back up where you're at. Alright, you're good for a second. Get that metal part. Alright. Got the garage door down, got everything down. Just ripping it up a little bit. Getting it into pieces, trying to get as much in the first load. Everything. Let's throw it back here out of the way. What is it looking like? Got a full load, guys. We're on our way to the dump. The sky is beautiful. Let's get on the freeway and get up to the dump this, and then get back there and load probably 1 or 2 more trailers it's gonna take. I would take it to Dale's, but see how much weight's in there on this one, because it's cheaper going up there. All right, pulling into the dump right now. Let's get her untarped and get up, see how much this first load weighs. Damn, it don't even weigh that much. Like 2,000 pounds. That's about it. Damn, that thing is dusty as hell. Oh, why is it so dusty? Oh, yeah. That thing's dusty as
Ja, hier the rotisserie chickens.
Oh, there's a piece that fell off my truck. And another piece. All right, back to the job. Got John here picking up another small load. Hey, when people park right there. Got it back there right now. Nice. Did you fit a lot in there?
Yep.
Here, I'm gonna show you guys how you gotta do this. Take this and hook it to that part right there, and then fold the rest in. Still put it around there, but actually, you know what? Here, do it. This is how I do it. Hook it to this one. Now put it under there, and now stretch it to that hole over there. See that hole? Just tuck this in. So you tuck that in. And this one, yeah, that one's right. What's up, John?
Tuck the sides in.
Tuck it in. Yeah, there ain't much left back. Alright, we're getting there. It's getting to be gone. Trailer's getting full. Got my. Your hands getting tired? No?
Not yet.
Not yet?
I'll wait another hour after that.
Alright. Getting her all cleaned up. And we're about to get the hell out of here.
Go ahead, Nick.
Alright guys, we're almost done, and gonna have to come back and get the excavator tomorrow. The trailer's full and I have all my trailers rented out right now. So gonna have to get more trailers, man. I guess 12, 13, 14, 15 trailers ain't enough right now, I guess. Yeah, we could tie them up and we'll put them in the back of my truck. They'll probably fly out while we're driving. Alright, job's complete, guys. I gotta come back and get the excavator tomorrow. But boom, boom, and boom. Alright, day's not over yet. We're dropping this trailer off. I got one around the block, and then I got one about a half hour away I gotta go pick up tonight. So it's ready for the roofing guys in the morning. And should be home by 8 o'clock tonight. It's a good day today. We got that whole garage down, and got Ricky coming up here to work on this car and then this tractor right here. Alright, picking up this dumpster. It's right around the block in the shop. Put it back to the shop. Lights, and then put that top part down, Dave. This is John's. You're tight right there. Now go back the other way until it's tight. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right there. Perfect. Alright, we're dumping this, and I have to bring it out to Troy and then go pick up another one, so we got another one added on for the night. Of course we did, but that's always a good thing. Alright, we're pulling up to where we're dropping this dumpster off in Troy on the Road. Let's find out where it is. It's a little bit more down the road. This guy's dropping off a dumpster too, or he lives there. All tinted out. Alright, there it is right there. Alright, we're on our way to the next one, and it's about 15 miles this way. Over in another city just right over here, so I got to drop one off for the same guy and then pick one up. So it works out good. 2 at once. I like that. That's called a double header, and then I don't have to drive just to drop that one off and drive back. I actually get to pick one up while I'm over here, and it's like a little bit further away, so it always works out good when they're a little bit further away. Save some time, and I can go home early and eat some food and chill for a little bit tonight. Tonight I'm gonna eat some good sandwiches, probably get some Jimmy John's, or I'll make my own. I make like big sandwiches. I call them the Ritz sandwich. And I got 7 different kinds. I put like 3-4 different meats on it sometimes, or I'll make it with 2 different meats, and then I'll toast it and put different kind of sauces on it depending on what sandwich it is, and big long pickles, butter pickles, or jalapenos with the out of the jar, lettuce, and make it to perfection. A couple of my workers had them. They love my sandwiches. Some of my past girlfriends have had them, and they love them too. I'm a good sandwich cooker. If I wasn't a landscaper, demo, dumpster, whatever the hell I am, I do for excavating, 4 different things, I would be a sandwich guy like Jimmy John's. That's what I'd be doing if I didn't do this. Because I like making sandwiches. I like eating sandwiches. So, alright. Enough with the boring talk. Let's get to the job. Get this trailer picked up. It is beautiful over here. Right there's a lake. Oh yeah, very nice. A lot of big houses around here. But I don't like trying to record on single lane roads with double lines. Even single lane roads without double lines. Just want to be careful. So there are some big houses over here. Holy moly. Lots of big ones. We just left the city of Troy. Now we're coming to the city of Franklin, which is right by Troy, Michigan. We're going to Franklin, Michigan now. So The sun is bright as hell. At night when I go pick up these dumpsters, man, the sun is always right in my eyes. Depending on the way back, it's never in my eyes. No matter which way I go to go pick up a dumpster at night, the sun is always in my eyes. Comment below if you got the sun in your eyes all night when you be working, or even in the morning, like where your whole route is just a sun in your eyes. Hard to drive. Alright, I don't know if this morning, if I started the video early enough to where I was dropping this dumpster off, but I was here this morning, dropped it off. It's already done. I'm gonna pick it up. It's got roofing material in it. It's right down here. Man, these people got a limo and shit. Nice big house getting built right there. That's a nice big old house too, right there. And look at that one. Big. Not super big, but they're big. $1 million houses. Or $750,000 houses. But with the landscaping, it's probably $1 million. And the land. It's a nice one. There. Look at that big old house right there. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, the job is right there. There's my dumpster. Oh, they fucking pulled theirs out a little bit more. Man, they filled that fucker up. That thing's filled. This must have been a shared job because someone else's dumpster's here. It was here earlier, but look how they filled this thing. It's about 3 feet higher. I got about 30 minutes to get home. I could take side streets. I ain't worried about it, but I'm gonna have to tuck a lot of stuff in. They really got me on this one. For sure. They got me. Wow. All right. Let's see what we could do. All right. I threw some stuff over in this trailer, and I got my trailer looking a little better. I'm going to try to throw the tarp up now. And I'll pull up and clean all this stuff up. Got the back, so it's kind of good. And then I'll put the tarp over it. I got to get this side a little more, actually. I'm going to try to pull this box out.